is asking about a woman who's disobedient to her husband, and the husband does not talk to her for 2 or 3 or 4 months till now. So is this permissible? No, this is not permissible, definitely. Allah Azza wa Jal told us what to do with disobedient or rebellious women in the Quran in chapter 4, Surah An-Nisa. So Allah tells us that we have to advise them, remind them of Allah Azza wa Jal, preach to them that what they're doing is wrong. And if this does not work, and it's not only one lecture or 5 minutes lecture, it's an ongoing process for few days or if not weeks. If this doesn't matter or have any effect on her, in this case, Allah tells us to go to step 2, and that is to abandon them in bed, meaning to show no signs of intimacy, no hugging, no kissing, no flirting, nothing at all, so that she would feel the pressure that this is not my husband that I'm used to, and he's not interested in me anymore. And this goes on for like a couple of weeks, maybe more. If it does not work and the woman is not paying any attention, maybe she thinks that, whoa, that's good, that's this is coming with benefits, I'm happy. In this case, there is a third and final way, and that is to beat them lightly, not to think that you are in an MMA match and you grapple her or give her a choke hold. No, not even to beat her with a stick or with a whip. This is prohibited. Then how to beat her? Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, said to beat her with a miswak. This is a miswak, not a new one. This is my toothbrush. And if you look, if you hit as hard as you can, this would have no effect in terms of pain physically. It would not leave a mark. Then why would I do such a thing? This is a sort of a mental way of punishment or reprimanding her. The woman who has at least some feelings, she would say, this husband of mine who used to love me and adore me and he used to do things for me, now he is doing this to me. It means that I have reached a rock low bottom. This may help her to wake up. It is prohibited to hit the face of a woman. It is prohibited to break a bone of a woman. It is prohibited to injure a woman. It is prohibited to hit a woman so that marks would show on her skin. So what kind of a beating it is? It is not a beating. It's not physical. It's not to avenge or to have revenge. It's rather to discipline and show the woman that our marriage is coming to an end. And this is all because of your disobedience and rebellion. If this is going to work, but if you know that even if you use this toothbrush or miswak, that she will not be obedient or come to her senses, then don't use it. Simply just go and complain to her parents, get someone to mediate or to try to reconcile, or at the end of the day, divorce her.